If you've clicked on this video because you're worried about memory slips, mental fog, or those frustrating moments when a name or thought seems to disappear right when you need it, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll discover 5 everyday foods that researchers have connected to better brain health, stronger memory support, and improved overnight brain recovery. What's fascinating is that some of these foods start influencing important processes in your body much sooner than most people realize. And the food ranked number 1 is probably not what you're expecting. In fact, many people already drink it regularly without realizing it may have powerful benefits for the aging brain. Before we get started, I'd love to know something. How old are you today? And compared to 5 or 10 years ago, have you noticed any changes in your memory, concentration, or ability to stay mentally sharp? Share your experience in the comments below, because you're definitely not alone. Now, before we talk about the foods themselves, there's one important thing you need to understand. Most people assume their brain shuts down and rests while they sleep. The truth is much more interesting. While you're asleep, your brain becomes incredibly active in a different way. Instead of focusing on thinking, remembering, or solving problems, it begins a deep cleaning process. Inside the brain is a specialized waste removal network known as the glymphatic system. Think of it as your brain's nighttime maintenance crew. Throughout the day, normal activity creates microscopic waste products. As the hours pass, these substances accumulate between brain cells. During deep sleep, the glymphatic system helps wash away much of this buildup, including proteins that scientists have associated with neurodegenerative conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. When we're younger, this cleanup process operates very efficiently, but as we get older, especially after the age of 60, its performance often begins to decline. The system doesn't necessarily stop working, it simply becomes less efficient. One reason may be that the body isn't receiving the nutritional support needed to keep these processes functioning at their best. The 5 foods we're discussing today may help provide exactly that support. Let's begin with the first one. The first food on our list is tomato juice. I know that might seem surprisingly ordinary. Most people don't think about tomato juice when they think about brain health, but tomatoes contain a powerful compound called lycopene, and lycopene has a unique ability that makes it especially interesting to researchers. Unlike many antioxidants that remain outside the brain, lycopene can cross the blood-brain barrier. That means it can actually enter brain tissue and interact directly with the cells that need protection. Once inside, lycopene appears to help defend brain cells against oxidative stress and inflammatory damage that can accumulate over time. Researchers have observed connections between higher lycopene intake and lower markers of brain inflammation, particularly among older adults. Here's something else many people don't realize. Raw tomatoes are not the best source if your goal is maximizing lycopene absorption. The body has difficulty accessing large amounts of lycopene from uncooked tomatoes. But when tomatoes are cooked, processed, or turned into juice, lycopene becomes much easier for the body to absorb. That's why tomato juice stands out. A simple way to use it is to drink 1 small glass with your evening meal. Add a small drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of black pepper. The healthy fats in olive oil help improve absorption, while black pepper may further enhance the body's ability to utilize beneficial plant compounds. Simple, affordable, easy to make part of your routine. And before we move to the next food, if you're finding value in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It helps more people discover information that could support their long-term brain health. Now let's continue. Number 2 is a fruit that most people have been eating incorrectly for years. Kiwi. More specifically, kiwi with the skin left on. Most people immediately peel away the fuzzy outer layer and throw it in the trash. What they don't realize is that the skin contains significantly higher concentrations of certain antioxidants and beneficial compounds than the soft green flesh inside. But the reason kiwi earned a place on this list goes beyond antioxidants. Researchers have become increasingly interested in kiwi's relationship with sleep quality. In studies involving adults who consumed kiwi before bedtime, participants often fell asleep more quickly, slept longer, and experienced improvements in overall sleep quality. This is especially important because deep sleep is when the brain's nighttime cleaning system becomes most active. As we age, natural melatonin production gradually decreases. Many adults over 60 notice they wake up more frequently during the night, struggle to stay asleep, or simply don't feel refreshed in the morning. These disruptions can interfere with the brain's ability to complete its overnight maintenance processes. Kiwi may help support healthier sleep patterns naturally through its combination of antioxidants, serotonin-related compounds, and other nutrients. If you're willing to try it, wash the fruit thoroughly and eat the entire kiwi, skin included. If the texture isn't appealing, blending whole kiwi into a smoothie can be an easier option. Many people combine it with warm almond milk for a simple evening drink. Aim for 2 kiwis approximately 45 minutes before bed. For some individuals, noticeable improvements begin appearing within a couple of weeks. Now let's move on, because the third food addresses something many people misunderstand about memory problems. When someone starts forgetting names, misplacing items, or struggling with concentration, they often assume brain cells are simply dying. Sometimes the explanation is less dramatic, sometimes it's blood flow. The brain uses an enormous amount of energy. Despite representing only a small percentage of total body weight, it consumes roughly 20% of the body's oxygen supply. To function properly, it requires a steady stream of oxygen-rich blood. As we age, blood vessels naturally become less flexible. Circulation can become less efficient. When blood flow decreases, the brain may receive fewer nutrients and less oxygen than it needs for peak performance. This can contribute to mental fatigue, slower thinking, reduced focus, and memory challenges. That's where number 3 comes in. Beets. Beets are rich in naturally occurring nitrates. Once consumed, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps blood vessels relax and widen. When blood vessels open more effectively, circulation improves. Researchers have found that beet juice can increase blood flow to important areas of the brain, including regions involved in executive function, decision-making, concentration, and memory. One particularly interesting study involving older adults found measurable improvements in blood flow to the frontal regions of the brain after regular beet juice consumption. Think of beets as helping improve traffic flow on the highways that deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout the brain. A practical approach is drinking 1 glass of beet juice during the early afternoon. If the flavor is too intense, mixing it with a small amount of apple juice can make it easier to enjoy. 1 glass is enough. Now we're moving into number 4, and I want to tell you about someone whose story stayed with me. A retired librarian named Catherine was in her early 70s when she began noticing worrying changes. She wasn't forgetting everything, but little mistakes were becoming more common. She missed turns while driving. She occasionally lost track of conversations. Simple tasks required more concentration than they once had. Her confidence started fading because she felt her memory wasn't as reliable as it had been throughout most of her life. Over the next several months, she made several lifestyle changes. One of the simplest was adding a small bowl of wild blueberries to her evening routine every day. Blueberries are rich in compounds called anthocyanins. These are the pigments responsible for their deep blue color. Anthocyanins are especially interesting because they can cross into the brain and influence processes associated with learning and memory. Researchers have found that the compounds in blueberries may do far more than simply provide antioxidant protection. Scientists are especially interested in their potential relationship with BDNF, short for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. You can think of BDNF as one of the brain's key support proteins. It helps neurons communicate more effectively with one another and plays an important role in maintaining healthy neural connections. As we age, preserving these connections becomes increasingly important because they influence memory, learning, focus, and overall cognitive performance. Some studies suggest that the anthocyanins found in blueberries may help support processes associated with BDNF activity, potentially creating an environment that encourages brain cells to stay resilient and adaptable. What's particularly encouraging is that the brain continues to form and strengthen connections throughout life. This ability, known as neuroplasticity, doesn't simply disappear with age. By regularly consuming nutrient-rich foods like blueberries, many researchers believe we may be helping support the brain's natural ability to adapt, learn, and maintain healthy cognitive function over time. Even more remarkable, research suggests that the aging brain retains a surprising ability to adapt and create new pathways throughout life. In studies involving older adults, regular blueberry consumption has been associated with measurable improvements in memory performance and cognitive function. And here's an unexpected detail. Frozen wild blueberries may actually provide advantages over many fresh varieties. The freezing process can make certain beneficial compounds easier for the body to access. A simple serving is 1 cup each evening. You can eat them by themselves, mix them into Greek yogurt, or add a small drizzle of olive oil to improve absorption of fat-soluble compounds. 1 cup a day. Consistently, that's the key. Now we arrive at number 5. The food that surprises many people the most. Walnuts. Take a moment to look closely at a walnut. Its shape is strikingly similar to a miniature brain, complete with folds and ridges. For centuries, traditional cultures viewed this resemblance as meaningful. Modern science has discovered something even more interesting. Walnuts contain compounds that interact with gut bacteria. During digestion, these compounds can be transformed into substances such as urolithins. Researchers have become interested in these compounds because they appear to support cellular cleanup mechanisms. In simple terms, they may help cells remove damaged components that interfere with energy production. This matters because every cell in your body depends on healthy energy-producing structures. When these systems become less efficient with age, many biological processes can slow down. Walnuts also happen to be one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids available. In addition, they contain polyphenols and numerous other compounds associated with cognitive health. Large long-term studies have found links between regular walnut consumption and better cognitive performance later in life. The recommended amount is surprisingly modest, a small handful each evening, roughly 14 walnut halves. Many people combine walnuts with their blueberries, creating a simple evening snack packed with brain-supporting nutrients. What's particularly fascinating is that the gut bacteria involved in processing walnut compounds may become more abundant with regular intake, potentially enhancing benefits over time. Now let's put everything together into one simple daily rhythm. In the early afternoon, drink 1 glass of beet juice to support healthy blood flow and circulation. With dinner, enjoy a small glass of tomato juice mixed with olive oil and a pinch of black pepper to improve lycopene absorption. A couple of hours before bedtime, eat 1 cup of wild blueberries along with a small handful of walnuts to provide antioxidants and support the brain's natural maintenance processes. Then, about 45 minutes before sleep, have 2 whole kiwis with the skin on to help support deeper, more restorative sleep. That's it. 5 foods. 1 simple routine. No complicated programs, no expensive supplements, no extreme diets, just consistent daily habits maintained for at least 3 weeks. One of the biggest misconceptions about aging is that memory decline is completely unavoidable. While aging does bring changes, the brain remains remarkably adaptable throughout life. It continues responding to sleep quality, nutrition, physical activity, and other lifestyle choices. Your brain has spent decades helping you build relationships, solve problems, raise families, learn lessons, and create memories that define who you are. Supporting that brain isn't about chasing perfection. It's about giving it the resources it needs to continue serving you as well as possible for years to come. Now imagine waking up each morning with a clearer sense of focus, where your thoughts feel more organized and your mind doesn't feel as cluttered or overwhelmed as before. Simple tasks like remembering names, recalling appointments, or finding misplaced items start to feel easier and more natural again. Instead of frustration, there is a growing sense of control over your own thinking. This kind of mental clarity also plays a powerful role in independence. When your memory supports you properly, you don't need to rely heavily on others for reminders or constant reassurance. You can move through your day with confidence, making decisions, managing routines, and handling responsibilities without unnecessary stress or confusion. That independence brings dignity and a strong sense of self-worth. Even more importantly, clear thinking helps you stay socially and emotionally connected. Conversations become more enjoyable because you can fully participate without worrying about forgetting what was just said. You can listen, respond, and engage naturally, just like before, which strengthens relationships with family and friends. And perhaps the most powerful feeling of all is confidence. Confidence in your ability to navigate daily life, to trust your memory, and to believe in your own mental strength again. It is not about becoming perfect, it is about feeling capable, stable, and present in your own life. When the mind feels supported and nourished, these moments are not distant dreams. They become part of everyday reality, shaping a life that feels clearer, calmer, and more in control. Those goals matter, and small actions repeated consistently often create the biggest results. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Which of these 5 foods surprised you the most? Was it tomato juice, kiwi with the skin on, beet juice, blueberries, or walnuts? And which one are you planning to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Take care of your brain, take care of your health, stay mentally strong, and I'll see you again in the next video.